Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through one of the best simple and the most simple indicator combination that you could use today in the market to actually make some solid profit. Right now, I've been getting this question a lot, but what I want you guys to do is always backtest the strategies that I give you. Always backtest and always collect data before you try them in the real market, right? Because one thing I've realized is that people just go to the market and they risk huge capitals without actually testing the strategy, without actually doing back testing, which could really lead to some serious financial loss. All right, so always back test before you try out a strategy in real markets. All right, first and foremost, the most important thing that I would advise you guys to always keep in mind is risk management. That is one of the most important things that people neglect, and I would just like to let you guys know that always keep your risk management in check. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to take you guys through the video and I'll show you guys my system and how you can use it. Right now, as you can see, I've got two indicators on the screen. I've got moving average 300 MA, and I've got the zero lag indicator. So this is quite simple. It works on trending markets, and it works pretty much on all time frames, but the condition has to be a trending market. And fortunately, we have our moving average to help us determine the trend. As you can see right now, we have an uptrend, but we're about to start experiencing some downtrends over here. So anyway, so I'm going to take you guys through the indicator and I'll show you guys. So to get this indicator, all you have to do is go to the indicators tab over here, and indicators tab, search for a moving average, make the settings 300. I think it's 300 settings, 300, and zero lag MMA, leave it on your default settings. All right, default setting 32. So I'm going to show you guys the rules. Right, it's quite simple, but yet quite profitable. Right, so first and foremost, right, I'm going to show you guys something. Every single time that every single time that a candle closes above, as you can see there, every single time a candle closes above the zero lag indicator, and there's some sort of like an engulfing candle, as you can see there, every time that the price is above the zero lag and the MMA 300 MA is below the price and there's an uptrend scenario, it's a clear indication that you need to take a buy. All right, so I would simply take a buy somewhere here after the engulfing candle, and you would simply put your stop loss below the previous low, and I would say target the nearest high, which is that one over there. Quite short, but that's a good that's in my books, that's quite a good money management. If you have a different money management system, you could implement it and you could probably reap the full rewards of this trade. You can see, even though there was a nice drop down here, we couldn't take the trade just yet, and we missed it, but it's part of the system. And as you can see, when price had broken this level over here, we didn't get any new signal, so we just kept following the price. So we're gonna follow the price. So as you can see, price is below the moving average. We have our zero lag indicator. There's an engulfing candle over here, so we take a sell. Take a sell right here, and what I always say is target the most recent high, which is right here. That's probably like a 1-to-1 or something like that. It might not have hit, but if you have good management practice, you would have probably put your stop loss. I think your stop loss break even over here, and you probably would have not have lost that trade. So I'm going to show you another example. So see, this is an uptrend right here, and as soon as our zero lag turns, we simply take a trade. All right, here's a good trade over here. Take a trade over here and put our stop loss right here below the previous low. Target the previous high. There we go, a good 1-to-2, almost 3, but I think that is good enough. So as we follow the indicator, we notice that there's more signals. As a zero lag turns, and price closes inside the zero lag indicator, simply take another trade. As you can see here, we have a really solid trade over here. And guys, it's this long trades that actually makes you consistent in the long run. You know, if you actually have a good system and a good management system, you could have actually reaped the full rewards right here, which is like 1 to 18, right? So you might catch some few losses along the way, but it's definitely worth all the little losses to catch one big move like this. So that is the system. It's quite easy. Test it out, practice, have good money management system, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.